What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, please can I request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get the numbers up, people, man. I'm putting in a lot of work right now, giving you a lot of videos. So like a year and a half on, a year on. This one's actually a bit shorter time frame, just because I'm actually shocked with what I've managed to do with this pair. Like, it's actually crazy. So this pair I bought 3 months ago. Not even a full 3 months ago. So let's say around 2.5 months. I wore them during the summer. And, you know, let's see exactly what I've done to them. So this is a Air Max Plus, also known as a TN, tuned, Air Max tuned, whatever you want to call them. They're just TNs to me, so I'll call them TNs. One thing to mention actually is this insole is the wrong insole, as I swapped them with my other TNs. Don't ask. I think it's the wrong one. Yeah, it is the wrong one. Yeah, because this insole should be white. So I swapped out the insole for another pair. I'll say don't ask, but I'll just explain it anyway. Some TNs come a bit more wider, some come in a bit more thinner. Sometimes I find that, you know, just switching around insoles makes a whole lot of difference and they fit nicer. So I just literally switched out the insoles for this one with the other pair. And they've been perfect. I believe so. The insole has to be... it has to have been white. Yeah, I can't fully remember, but I believe so, because normally it will be a white insole on these. But yeah, enough about the insole. It's definitely not the black insole, but we move. Let's just have a look at what I've done to them, which has actually surprised me. So if you actually look and you can just see, like, there's dirt marks on the mesh. That's actual dirt. Like, that's, you know, it's dirt. They're dirty. Like, they're not clean. Like, look at the state of them, man. Like, for paying this much, you know, £165, and for the pair to be like this after 2 months is kind of a joke. I'd have actually cleaned them like 3-4 times, but it's just so annoying, the mesh. Like, it really annoys me because, you know, as you can see here, look how dirty it is. Like, come on, man. Like, I'm literally close to not even caring about this trainer anymore. Like, I don't care. Like, I don't want them no more. I might just give them away or something, throw them away, whatever. But the sole, not too much wear. I did see bits and bobs of wear here. So if I did wear them more, obviously they'll wear down. So you still got a bit of those bits at the bottom. Pretty decent, you know. Obviously they have changed color because we've been walking on the ground. Midsole, you know, dirty, obviously, which is expected with a white trainer or white sneaker. Yeah, the mesh is just, it's so dirty, it's a joke, man. Like, look at that, just look how dirty it is. And I haven't, like, gone anywhere, you know, I haven't done Tough Mudder or anything in these. They're just literally walking around, and then look at that. Like, I normally keep my sneakers fresh, but it was impossible. Like, literally on the first day they were so dirty, it was a joke. And I thought, oh, that's not good. Like, look how dirty they are. And this is literally just been walking around and stuff. Like, this plastic bit at the front I hate so much because it's so difficult to clean. You could say near impossible. So I personally am never going to buy a white pair of TNs again. Definitely not. If they have them, or they do have them in the white leather, I might just buy that pair and that's it. Never like mesh. No way. If I see white mesh, I'm running as far away from it as I possibly can, as I just don't want to have anything to do with white mesh and all this dirt, because, you know, the price point and stuff, it's not really worth it. So what I'm going to do, I've done on the other videos, I've quickly just given them a wipe down. Literally with a wipe, a household wipe, nothing important, nothing special. So that's actually, you know, it's already you know, taken off a lot of that dirt from the midsole. You know, that's actually shined it up nicely. The back bit, let's try that now. Couple swipes and, you know, it's cleaner, but there is still marks there. Little marks, whatever. Let's just give that bit a wipe. I don't even want to try wiping the front bit, the toe box, whatever you want to call it, toe guard, or the mesh, because it's just so nasty and difficult. So, you know, giving them a clean around this bit. Toe box time, which is always the fun bit. Let me get a fresh wipe and let's try that. I've actually even tried to use a brush on these before and it hasn't done much. I'm nearly out of wipes actually. I've recorded like 4 videos in a row. So it's cleaned it a bit. You gotta really get into that. That's a workout and a half. So as you can see, it is a bit cleaner. However, those marks you could just say are permanent, or unless someone else can get them out, because I definitely cannot, and I'm not paying anyone to get them out for me or anything like that. So now it's time to try that mesh. That bit is proper like dirty, you can tell. Nothing's happening. And what I'll actually do is I'll actually give these like a proper scrub, or I'll just scrub one shoe and we'll compare it to the other, and then we'll see what it looks like. So I'll definitely need to get into that with some cleaning products, some sneaker cleaners, because that's nice and filthy. But yeah, the only thing I'd say stayed relatively clean is probably like the laces, and even then, not that clean. So these will definitely have to, you know, have a spin through probably the washing machine on a cold wash, not a warm wash, a cold wash. We'll definitely have to clean them up and then give them a washing machine spin to see what they are like. But I think that's it. For me, after wearing them, like, they are comfortable, don't get me wrong, but I'm just not gonna buy a white mesh pair again. It's just, you know, it's foolish of me to. Definitely won't do that. But yeah, that's literally all from me for today, people. Wait a few moments, I'll do the on foot and stuff, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and the most important bit is to take care, people.